What happens if someone violates a domestic violence protection order? In recent news, the topic of domestic violence protection orders has gained significant attention. Many people are asking, what happens if someone violates one of these orders? Understanding the consequences is essential for both victims and those who may find themselves in legal trouble. Let's break down the facts surrounding this important issue. When a person violates a domestic violence protection order, they face serious legal consequences. A protection order is a court directive that prohibits contact or certain behaviors toward the protected individual. Violating this order is considered a criminal offense and can result in arrest and prosecution. The consequences for violating a domestic violence protection order typically include criminal charges. The violator may be charged with contempt of court or a specific offense related to the violation. This can be a misdemeanor or felony depending on the jurisdiction and circumstances. For example, if the violation involves threats, harassment, or physical contact, the charges may be more severe. Law enforcement can arrest the person immediately upon violation, even if the breach was accidental. This underscores the seriousness with which courts and police treat these orders. Convictions for violating protection orders can lead to incarceration. The length of time varies but can be up to a year for misdemeanors or several years if charged as a felony, especially if it is a repeat offense or involves violence. Courts may impose fines and requiring the violator to undergo probation. This often includes mandatory counseling or treatment programs related to domestic violence or anger management. If children are involved, violating a protection order can negatively affect custody or visitation rights. Courts consider such violations seriously when determining arrangements, potentially restricting or supervising contact with children. A violation conviction becomes part of the person's criminal record. This can affect future employment, housing, and other aspects of life. Repeat violations increase penalties and legal scrutiny. Violating a domestic violence protection order triggers immediate legal action, including possible arrest and criminal charges. It can lead to jail time, fines, probation, and lasting effects on personal and family matters. Courts treat these violations with high priority to protect victims and uphold the integrity of the legal protections in place.